Hi, I'm Dr. Yoko, and today I want to talk about two incredible non-surgical options for facial rejuvenation: thread lift and smooth threads. Both treatments are highly effective for lifting, tightening, and improving the skin, and I'm excited to explain the benefits of each. Let's start with the thread lift. This procedure uses dissolvable threads placed under the skin to gently lift and reposition sagging tissue. It's perfect for those seeking a natural, subtle lift without the need for surgery. Thread lifts provide an immediate lift in areas like the cheeks, jawline, and neck. But the added benefit is that threads stimulate your body's collagen production over time, helping to improve skin texture and firmness even after the threads dissolve. The results are immediate, with minimum downtime, allowing you to return to your routine quickly. The collagen boost provides long-lasting improvements. Now let's talk about smooth threads. These threads aren't designed to lift, but instead enhance skin quality by smoothing out fine lines, improving texture, and boosting collagen in specific areas that need extra support. Smooth threads are perfect for areas like around the mouth, under the eyes, or on the neck, where you may not need lifting but are looking to improve texture and smooth fine lines. Both treatments are safe, minimally invasive, and tailored to fit your unique facial structure and aesthetic goals. Whether you want the lifting effects of a thread lift or smoothing and rejuvenating benefits of smooth threads, I can guide you through the process. If you are interested in learning more, feel free to reach out for a consultation, and we will create a personalized treatment plan just for you. Thank you for watching.